Jong Kiladu, Jong Ka First Maulai Inter-School Athletics and Literary Competition 2026. The champion of champions, Kamday ka Stephen Memorial. The champion of champions, kabayo, Lai Punyo Tali Kimelul. Rail Tali Ki Bronze, Kat Sao Tali Ki Silver, Kat Nyo Tali Ki Gold, Kat total galong Lai Punyo, but Katab Kaskul, Kaday Kaskul. Kabangan sa pemela Lasim Slam Pulau Sidur. Kata keskul, kedai keskul kepada Dayhok Penyo ya kena meladu Ga. Are you ready? Yeah! 1, 2, 2.5 and 3.
Come on, Patrick!
May I now request our honorable chief guest, Bapak Sawal Marmiang MLA, to kindly take the salute as the march past contingent pass the tiles. Wait. Daphne Doling as the flag bearer, Ilaun Sisa Salmon as commander, and Happy Lakman Patau as placard bearer. As the march past concludes, we extended our heartfelt gratitude to the band of the 1st MLP Battalion for their outstanding performance. Their discipline, precision and inspiring musical accompaniment has added both dignity and splendor to the ceremony, making the March Past a truly memorable occasion. May I now request everyone present to give the band of the 1st MLP Battalion a warm and wholehearted round of applause.
Nga aingu yu blay bolden ringkat bat ngi ya kenika janmit bat kumjuru bolden ringkat ngi hak tukas ngi ke bangi sedang menci sengi la aingi ke beneng ke batengen ke bam simdan kanu ke jing pemit ke jing bentut bat kumjuru hang ni ke sengi ngi yo sai sengi ke ba shet dan rei kim dan pat ki ban kelon pok madan ke kani kelong ke jing gerku jong blay ke bangi lam pendap ya kani ke program ke jong yang ni ke janmit ke bamanta kan no apai singi I kongsan bodan borom jongi I balong I MLA bidia jongi ba bright star well marbanyang nang ta I serbot kongsan jongi iba jing sangila di MDC I jongi di don ki daw bam akhir im simla ban poi ya I kublei I ru kan ka janmit bamanta nang ta I kongsan beker ikerpang ibala lekno ni ai kublei I iru ngi priang sebai iru mene la don dekat bengi I balong I district sport officer I ba damang sengkon nang ta kiriu pauhmat kinong peniat ki skul kinong kai ki coach ki kimi ki pa kinong simenta ba it ki kentai bat senrang nakaliang jonga ko chairman kini ka kanun nga pedang sobha ya pi kebanadu kemensim sekejing perhap perdano ni ka closing ceremony jong kini ka first maulai and literary association nakaliang ka maulai games but literary association kabla benset yang bangan agi kentin pedang sobha ya pi iwei sekani kejing penkut ni ka closing ceremony jong kejing Yakob ile akai balatip kum ka fast Maulai Inter School Athletic and Literary Competition 2026 kum tang simru ya kani ka kabu ban priang sobha ya baro sakani ka lempung panha perda ke jongi
ki ong ba mo ngiran kam ka met ka ba set ba ko so a healthy body and a sound mind ti kum ki khna nga ai khublei phi baro ya jing simenta jing phi kani ka jing ilakai but nga ai khublei kerpang ya kini ki ba organize ya kini ka program ka first maulai literary and games competition pi teng ngi ju yos ngo bon sini ki locality ki sinong jung ki skiwai pa chalaban se chai ba ki judan ki perlong bhai kum kini ki jat competition ki debate ki ma ki quiz but ki jingi lakai kum ni but teng teng is ngo deu ba ki sinong jung ngim judan kani ka jingle jung pi nga di nong sung sinong maulai mentang sa moro kadi keke ke ba ngadayaro nang mensim jang baro bat nga kermen bakan dei ka jing sedang jang keke ke ba ngila ban penhe la sailis ngi bat kumdong sung sunong penpau om tangka support ka jongan re kanu ko bangila banyarap nong sung sunong ngi kloi ban wan sekaman te kumta nga ai kublei pi baro ke besimenta ni kapor nga duai bo blei nang kurku ko do pi baro ki khna pi de kalawai jong kari ko jat ban reu long ki khna ki basmat ka jing yelakai barhoj ki basmat ru ka jing puli ka puthi khnang ba la sailis ngi ka lawi ka jong pi ka future jong pi ka long ke ka bolong ka internet bat ka bawanra ya ka jing hun ya pi ya ka yeng ka sem ka jong pi ya ka snong ka thau jong ngi bat ya ka jala ba ka ri brakoi khlesh bun.
It's my great pleasure to see so many young boys and girls representing their respective schools to have participated in this last few days school meet, and it takes us back to our school days as well, how excited we were, and I'm sure all of you have participated with great enthusiasm and excitement, and I wish that you keep this kind of excitement all through the year, because sports is not only performing on the day of the match or participations, but it is the practice that you need to do all through the year, and then only you will be able to participate in a very proper way. And I congratulate all the participants, the winning teams, and the teachers who have taken care of their respective schools' participation, organizers, and we wish to see such type of the gathering and then the participation tournament even in the days to come. Thank you very much.
Ai kublai i ba Almer balong MC kumju ru nong penia ya kanika jingalang gazongi ni kapor ata de i MLA Badan Buram ki gas ki Badan lamat ni kapor ti hakani kapor ada kuwi ka jingroi ban ai padeng jongi but kanika kateng jong jirai ka ong be syakathong but ki kintian jong ka jingroi ka ong kawai ka jingmut kawai ka thong kawai ka lat ngin pendam ya kaman hangno ba ka jing kanwan bantenju hanrei ngidan bandan ka jingapuram markeliang hangta kanwan ka jing job ka bakadu tinga ai kubli piki schools baro ki be shimenta but inget ngin sayo kam bo chusho kini gi events ki ba lese ki ba na I mean same but bikin yarap yangi hakani ka hapo ka shinong maulai jingi ubli kerku yangi way
Jing ai ti met bat man si Jing skem jing một ngiwa Jing mi not kam leno e ha ba you so ngi ma ka wei ka jing một ka wei ka thong ka wei ka lat ben dem yamon hang no ba jing e kin wan den jo buram mar kelyang ka job khat do Uni mau jamika Jingker kublengi wa Imka kerteng sakanam Kamon kapli kala Kawe ka jingmot Kawe ka thong Kawe ka lat pendem yamon Hang no ba jing e kinwan tenju Buram mar kelyang ka job khat do Shitelingen ye Bret ka hangame Jing shakri hak lang mau jam Hang ne hasla perthai Kawe ka jing mo Kawe ka thong Kawe ka lat pendem yamon Hang no ba jing e kinwan tenju Buram mar kelyang ka job khat do
job kandu Wishwood
Ngamla ru klem dapat pau ke jing sungu ke jonga ya ka Molai Games and Literary Association ka ba la shimkhia ban penlong ya ka ni ka lempung ban ailat iki khun ki khana school jong kisnong Molai ban lum iki hakawai ka lempung ban ai ki ka ka platform ban ha ka ju ku por kan long ka jaka ka ba ngila ban ya kendu barok sisnem nilai shala ki jong ki school rengi so kemen nak ni kapor ka mentapat I warak lang hipi na ki school ki ba phiar jong kisnong Molai ha ka wei ka lempung tang man ya compete lan ya ban ya khun lan ya ban ya le persha rengi scam ha ka jing kendu ba ka jing khun ka don ru ka jing itu bat kawan ra ru ka jing bat ka jing teli kata de ka le se ka message ka bangila ban yo lingba jong ka ni ka inter school balapenyak da Molai Games and Literary Association ngai ka jing khublai ya I president I ba gol I ba ai ya ka kentin priang subha priang jongi ni por ka pamenta ringkat lembat I wei ki nongket kam jong ka ni ka association nadu I ba Elmer kum u Shoknor bapenyak ya ka ni ka jingelang ngai ka jing khublai ya u deputy director le se ka ni ka jing competition ha ka ni ka por kanum la banlong ka ba ipu ipieng bat ka biang lem da dei bangi yo ya ka jingbet now deputy director jong ka sai bal ai ngi ka jingbet bangi la ban avail ya ka ni ka facilities ban ai ki ki khna ki ba ki jonga bat ki jong pi ngaso ban ngaso kemen lu ni por badan preng arbut ki special guest kiba ibaningkong I Profesor Sumar bin Umdor ibri I Pro Vice Chancellor Barim jongka Northeastern Hill University sir ni so ban ai khublai ya phi ban nakaliang ka jonga ong ani por ngaso mo ngaso long u ba donbok namar bro arbut kinong hikai godon ni por kum special guest kidai ki bala hikai nga iso Umdor ila hikai nga po St. Anthony's College idai nong hikai jongka subject economics satu por po St. Anthony's College bat menta pan ila don hang ni po ke skol ba ni hu labun pli ba labun pho kisnem bat ni ai kublai pi ru sa namar ba lingba kanika association haba ki kendu bang ya trelang bat ki ila wan ya kendu pi ban pan ya kategori facilities ban penlong ya ki literary events ban nganong ka facility ke ba pila penyo yangi le sing ala ban ong ni por ka mamta mo le sing 4 Jumat mo kalau world class kajaka ka bang yo ban penlong ban ngai scam ki khana school ki jongi nang ni po Molai ki bela don benta ha literary competition kin kubur ya kata kublai shibun sa nam ta jong pi ba kum juru ai kublai ru ya I Professor I would like to thank Professor Deb Barma who is my teacher and mentor during my PG days in Nehu. We are thankful to you sir and for your cooperation. Not just Nehu has been part of the Molai Games and Literary Association, not just for this inter-school. Actually, in the month of January, we have been hosting the Molai Games for the whole Molai constituency, and Nehu have been working together with us, and we are grateful to you, sir, and we are thankful to you for being part of this wonderful game and this inter-school competition as well. Bawat la nakaling sin kabaning kong kat kum kajing thu nakaliang jok association kladon nadu kum ba khat sau tali ki school kiblai shim benta ba kani kan ai min siam nam ta ka association kan ai min siam nam ta jonga ba ngai scam ru kan ai min siam nam ta jongi ba ngai scam kanom kut mo ban penlong tang sisin lanu ngai ngai scam ling ba jok kani ka association nginang la ban penlong man la kapur ban ngi khmi unti langi pelong house nemu ban wan ling ba jok kani ka association ngai scam kinang bun ki school bat kan wan ra ru mau kumbang layak semua nak kejingkren katukan ini kinong kren kibas keman oh kalong kebadongkam bandon ya kejingkot jingkia abdi bat kebor perkan ni sotu kata kalong kebadongkam bat kebah keman andai ngimla aban klet ru banalor kejabing kejongi ken mau kidongkam ru bandon ya kemet kebakot kebakia
nang tadi ya Madam A Tariang School nang tadi ya Vice Principal jongka May Queen nang tadi ya also to the Director Sports Nehu, Professor Deb Barma. Bagi Dokar Managing Committee, kumjuru ya. Bak Ya kini ki porok ki jongi ru ada ki porok ini jing ais bawai baret na kalian ke jongi ke bangi kwa basin bu pansa ke mau mo. Gold medal. Ini kan iban sawan ra gold medal om yang tang ya ka Grace Academy in Raya Kastit ru panita ide imbes silver Lin Suchiang Chongka Grace Academy School. Kamet ki best day. Kamla nga akin diat na tip. What you sulot papahat. Gold medal is a T. Dotling na Maulay Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Nakabenta kikintay. Nakabenta kikintay. Best. Nang tam secondary school Amosta Son Emily. Tahu kalau itu. Iba job ya ke match past idai. Kadai ke school bayat kisipai kentai. Kata kadai Kamalai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Girls Contingent. Ngidal lightly kusnam na kabentagan ni di school. Ngaya kabalay. Dom. Kailan kabaar? Omrenja Presbyterian Secondary School. Kapag ya ki Captain Bakblo Kiloykay lu. Jong Kilado. Jong Ka First Maulay Inter-School Athletics and Literary Competition 2026. The champion of champions, Kamday ka Stephen Memorial. The champion of champions, kabayo, Lai Punyo Tali Kimelal. Nreo Tali ki bronze, Kat Sao Tali ki silver, Kat Nyo Tali ki gold. Ka total galong life nyo, but katab ka school, kaday ka school. Kabangan sa pamala, lasim slam, kulay siyo. Katab ka school, kaday ka school. Kabada, day hok banyo, ya kanam lalo, Are you ready? Yeah! 1, 2, 2.5, and 3. Stefan!
Sige, bagi minat.
Umdal uwero bajop uban teachers. Bajop yang kemas pas, balong balai mikwir, baat, sefer, ngen teachers lang hang ni menta, nakabenta tangini ki South League School. Henry nakabenta baro kat South League School ki bay shimenta. Day tang kat South League. Nakabenta baro ki school ki balon hamolay. Day tang hamolay. Nakabenta baro ki school ki balon hakajela. Tama harila jang ngin kin hoi da ka tien la jong lai sien lai wat hoi 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 ka into school galawai